Hi, I'm Elizabeth Gearhart, co-host of Passage to Profit, the Inventor's Show on iHeart Media, and I'm here with Shanna Truffini. Shanna was on the show talking about her company, You Are a Gardener. And tell us about your experience being on the radio.
It was an amazing experience, and I really can't thank you guys enough for inviting me to be on the show. What I got out of that moment was really a confidence kicker for myself and for my company. I came back from that show feeling so inspired to just dial up everything I was doing and turn up my voice. So
Great.
Overall, wonderful.
Yeah, and you're using the iHeart logo with you in front of it. So we took videos and pictures, and that's on your website.
Yeah, so the content I got out of that day was incredible. I literally squeezed it to the last drop because I got to use the iHeart logo. I got footage in a radio station. I walked past Elvis Duran's booth. The content really, for me, I put it all over my social media. I put it on a blog. I even took the footage and made my own video with my videographer and just highlighting the experience and really the story of my mission.
Right, and I feel like being on iHeart Radio gives you credibility and validates you, right?
The overall experience of just being on a radio show with cameras and being in the spotlight to talk about your business was really incredible. It's something I would recommend to any young entrepreneur who's really trying to get out there and advocate for what they're passionate about.
Oh, thanks. Yeah, I'm the co-host with my husband, Richard Gearhart, and we film it in New York City. Well, we videotape the sessions, but it's really for the radio, so we have an incredible producer, so we're talking into microphones, and it's all taped. Everything can be cut out, if you make a mistake. And Richard and I honestly just love doing it, and we love having people like Shanna on it. It's a lot of fun, isn't it? Wasn't it fun?
It was fun. I mean, I was on with the business bully, and he was just incredible and just full positive energy, and it was just a really special moment. And I just am so passionate about entrepreneurs and that gut feeling when you have something so big inside of you, and the opportunity to talk about it on the radio was really a remarkable experience. So
well, thanks. I'm glad you had fun.
Thank you. I loved it.
And if you want to be on the radio, give us a call. 908-273-0700. Gearhart Law, we're the ones who sponsor the show. So call us if you want your chance.